Hi, my name is Lysandra. Welcome back to the Math Resource Center at HTC Del Neve campus. In this video, we'll go over the converting between the exponential and logarithmic functions handout. So the question reads, log base 11 of 121 equals 2. To convert that to exponential function, we first need to identify the parts of the logarithm. The base, the argument, and the answer. Now in this case, our base is number 11. Our argument is 121, and the answer is 2. Now let's transform this logarithm function into an exponential function. We always start with the base. 11 elevated to our answer, which is 2, equals our argument, which is 121. And this will be the final answer to our question. Now, let's move on to question number 2. It reads, log base 216 of 6 is 1/3. Let's do exactly what we did in the first question. Let's identify the base, the argument, and the answer. Once we have it identified, we could just express our final answer as the base elevated to our answer equals our argument. And this will be the final answer to our question. Now moving on to question number 3. It reads, 16 elevated to second power equals 256. Let's identify base, argument, and answer of this exponential function. And now let's just rewrite it as a logarithm function. So we have the log base 16 of our argument, which is 256, equals 2. And this will be the final answer to our question. Now let's read question number 4. b elevated to the 8th power equals 154. Let's identify the parts of this exponential function. Let's rewrite it as a logarithm function. We have the log base b of 154 equals a. And that will be the final answer to our problem. Now moving on to question 5. It reads, log base 5 of n equals -2. Let's identify the parts of this logarithm function. We could rewrite this as an exponential function where our base elevated to our answer equals our argument. And this will be our final answer. Now moving on to question 6, it reads, log of base x of 191 equals y. Let's find the parts of this logarithm function. Now let's rewrite it as an exponential function. We have that the base x elevated to our answer y equals our argument, which is 191. And that will be the final answer to this question. Now moving on to part 7, it reads, x elevated to y equals 178. Let's identify the parts of this exponential function. And we can rewrite this as a logarithm function by saying the log base x of the argument 178 equals our answer, which is y. And this will be the final answer to that question. Now for our last question, it reads 19 elevated to negative 19 equals x. Let's identify the parts of this exponential function. And let's rewrite it as a logarithm function. We could say that the log base 19 of our argument x equals our answer, negative 19. And this will be the final answer to that question. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any questions.